You're watching 13 News, Kansas News Leader.
Good afternoon and welcome back into Midday in Kansas. Wrapping things up with Charlene, Patton, and the Kansas Soybean Commission. It is a big time. If you hear loud music and parties going on off of 10th Street, off of Wanamaker, it could be coming from the Kansas Soybean Commission, right? You guys are celebrating.
And we are. We're celebrating Kansas soybeans as part of National Soy Foods Month. And of course, soybeans are a major agriculture crop here in the state of Kansas. And it's just fun to talk about that and let consumers know about all the ways they can use them.
We don't realize how they impact us as much as they do. We're featuring a recipe we're making this afternoon, a cool crunchy soy wrap, which was another award winner at the Kansas State Fair by Joyce Conard from Hutchinson, Kansas. A crunchy wrap we're making today, Charlene?
How about that? And this one actually got first place in the main dish division.
Okay.
So we're going to make that, and it is such a colorful, you'll see that. We've got 1 cup of edamame, cook that ahead of time, 1 cup of frozen corn, and this is yellow and white frozen corn. And then we have 1 cup of crumbles, and this is the veggie crumbles, so that's another soy product.
Wait, that was veggie?
That's veggie crumbles,
okay.
yes. And so now we're going to add 1/4 cup of green chopped onion, 1/4 cup of sweet bell pepper. Look how pretty that is. Now we're not going to add that yet, but we are going to add 1 cup of creamy Italian dressing.
Which is a soy product, right?
Yeah, because that's right. Very good.
I've been paying attention the past 6.5 years.
Most dressings, mayonnaise, if you look at the label, you're absolutely right. So now we're going to refrigerate that and let that marinate that really well. And then we'll just pretend that that's already refrigerated. And then I told you that you could pick whether you wanted lettuce or a tortilla wrap. And what did you want?
The green looks, I'll compromise. Instead of the lettuce and instead of the regular wrap, we'll do the green wrap because it looks semi-healthy, right?
Very good.
Okay.
All right. So what you can do then is just take some of this and put it down the center of it for our wrap. Take a little bit of the salted soy nuts and sprinkle that on it. There's your crunch that we were talking about.
Okay.
And then you just wrap that up. And what I did was then I cut it in half over there. You can use a wooden pick to secure it. So you have a variation that you can do, and you have a really healthy lunch that you could have or a main dish meal. You could also serve that as a salad in a lettuce bowl that's lined with lettuce.
Or you can just eat the carbs in the wrap. That's fine.
Exactly,
All
however
right, looks
you want
delicious.
to.
We can find the recipe online, right?
At kansassoybeans.org.
All right, I'm going to take a bite of this, and as I take a bite, tell everybody thanks for watching Midday in Kansas, and we'll see you tomorrow morning at 5, okay?
Thank you for watching Midday in Kansas, and we'll see you early in the morning.
The latest news,